Imaging Assistant is a scanning module designed to help you move toward the paperless office and secure your scanned documents as never before. It streamlines the scanning process and makes scanning fast, easy, and more affordable than ever. Imaging Assistant allows you to view a client in Advisor's Assistant, then quickly and easily scan the document and automatically link it to the name in Advisor's Assistant. Once the document has been scanned, you can view, print, and even email the document right from within Advisor's Assistant. Let's take a look at how it works. I'm going to scan a fact finder for James Madison. From the client's view screen, I just click on this scan icon to start the scanning process. Once Imaging Assistant is open, just click the New Scan button and all of the pages of the document are scanned. In this case, I only have one page. The speed of scanning is dependent on your scanner and the speed of the connection to the computer. Notice that you have a thumbnail for each page, so if you have multiple pages, you can easily navigate and view the pages. The toolbar at the top of the screen gives you additional functionality for rotating images, despeckling, straightening, and zooming into your image. Once the scan is complete, just click on the Save and Exit icon, and then provide a category and enter a description. The category allows you to sort your documents and group them together by category on the screen. And the category codes can be customized by you from inside Advisor's Assistant. Imaging Assistant has now saved the scanned image to my computer or document server, and it has automatically linked that file to James Madison in Advisor's Assistant. I can now access that document by clicking on the Files tab in Advisor's Assistant. When I click the Files tab, I can see the document listed with the other files that I've linked to Jim's name. Now that I've scanned something into Jim's contact record, let's scan an application specific to an investment account. The same process can be used to scan documents for a specific policy. First, I'll go to the Investments by clicking on the Investment tab, and then I'll double-click on the account to which I'm scanning the document. Then I just click the scan icon again to open Imaging Assistant. Click New Scan to scan the document. In this case, we have a couple of pages to scan. Then I click Save and Exit. I'm going to select my category and description again. And then I'm back in Advisor's Assistant. After the document has been scanned, I have access to the application through the Account Files view or the Client Files view. From the Account Files view, I can just double-click the document name, and the Imaging Assistant viewer opens. I can view any of the pages of the document and zoom into the page, or I can print or export this document. Imaging Assistant also has an email icon that, when clicked, will convert this document to a PDF file and automatically attach it to an email with the client's email address filled in. You can even select which page range you wish to include in the email if you don't need all pages. Again, this saves entry time and ensures the correct email address is used. If I wish to email the document to someone else, I can just type in a different email address or even add more email addresses. I'm just going to close my email and not send it. Back in Imaging Assistant, once I'm finished, I just click Exit again, and I'm back in Advisor's Assistant. With the Advisor's Assistant's Files views, you can link other files, such as spreadsheets and letters, and have access to everything associated with that client in one place. And through Advisor's Assistant's role-based security, you can decide who in your office has access to view, print, email, or export documents. Of course, those who don't have access to investments and/or insurance would not be able to view those types of documents either. Additional security is provided because network users do not need network access to the computer storing the documents. This is all handled by Advisor's Assistant and Imaging Assistant through SQL Server features. Therefore, you don't have to worry about someone simply browsing over to that computer and deleting, moving, or accessing a file. Imaging Assistant uses industry-standard compressed TIFF files and stores information about the document so that if you ever switch to a more expensive document storage program, the vendor could easily write a program to move the data over. Instead of spending thousands of dollars on a scanning solution, Imaging Assistant offers you a reasonably priced scanning solution that gives you fast access to your client's files, provides excellent security, and saves you having to run to a file cabinet when a client calls in. If you're ready to increase the power of your Advisor's Assistant and move toward a paperless office, contact Client Marketing Systems at 800-799-4267 and add Imaging Assistant today.